What's up mga yoy? Welcome back to another Malasa cooking video. No pork butakal for today's video mga yoy. That's why we have here 1 kilo of sibubog. It's bad to eat pork butakal every day because it's very maparat and it can cause you high blood dipisil na. We also have here the so-called kurakding. I don't know the Tagalog term for kurakding. Basta I know it's some kind of mushroom and I know it's very malasa. We also have here 1 plastic of balat ng karning not sure. You know, not sure. Karning baka. Whatever you call that, I don't care. It's malasa. We are now going to prepare all the ingredients for our gulay na kurakding with kulit ng karning not sure. So we're now going to kiris the bawang and the sibuyas. Of course, we're not going to forget our very expensive rice that bakong muli. No tupasi, no batteries. Oh, see? We already buntog our balat ng karning not sure to our natuk and we're going to tornado mekus that until it buruk-budok. We need to continue to mekus that with a tornado kulang to avoid for our natuk to kurta. We don't like that. Oh, see? Just like that, our pinaburuk-budok ang balat ng karning not sure is already malumuk. Look at that. Buray niya po niya, very nagbuburuk-budok. We also already buntog our very malasang kurakding. Woo! Puwerte! This kind of ulam is the kind of ulam that can make your kardero tilaub. Buray ni ba niya, wasak na naman ang diet niyo, matik na kan! As you can see, we already now pritusing our 1 kilo of sibubog. Very good partner of our ginataang balat ng karning not sure with kurakding. Very malasa. This is the pangrimate. The very malasang sausawan of our pritus na sibubog, sibuyas, kamatis, tawyo, and of course, very maharang na ladang demonyo. Oh, look at the presentation mga yoy. Our rice, our ginataang balat ng karning not sure, and our pritus na sibubog. Very malasa. Muak-muak man naman ite. Oh, of course, we're now going to purbar that. Oh, muak-muak malala si yoy. Tum na ites. Muak-muak malala. Very lusta. Busngal sa nambag ang busngal yoy. Armalite busngal yoy. Paita. Jesus Mariosep. This is what you call sunod-sunod na busngal. Buray niya po niya yoy. That's not muak-muak anymore yoy. That's what you call ablo. Jesus Mariosep yoy. Very paslo. Never mind. That's okay. I cannot see yoy because it's very malasa. Well, thank you again so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and follow UTV and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have TikTok. Follow me there, okay? I'll see you again next vlog. Matik na yan. Again, this is your one and only Yoy. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Goodbye.
What's up mga yoy? Pinakikilala ko sa inyo ang larong Una Game. Ang Una Game is isang play-to-earn mobile game na pwede kang kumita habang naglalaro lang. Mag-register lang, kumpletuhin lang lahat ng details na nakikita sa screen at i-confirm. After mo ma-confirm mga yoy, rekta ka na sa game. Marami kang pwedeng pagpiliin na laro dito mga yoy sa Una Game. Isa na nga dyan mga yoy ang larong Dragon Tiger. Ang larong Dragon Tiger mga yoy ay isang laro na kung saan tataya ka lang kung sa dragon ba o sa tiger. Magpapataasan lang kayo ng baraha mga yoy at kung sino yung mas mataas na baraha, syempre siya yung panalo. Diba? Ganun lang siya kadali mga yoy. Naglalaro ka lang pero kumikita ka pa. Sa Una Game lang yan mga yoy. At kung gusto nyo na mag-withdraw, i-click nyo lang mga yoy yung withdraw dyan sa baba. I-bind nyo mga yoy yung Gcash details nyo at ilagay nyo yung withdraw amount. Rekta Gcash nyo na yan mga yoy. Ganun lang siya kadali. Ano pa hinihintay nyo mga yoy? I-download nyo na ang Una Game. Nasa comment section ng video na to yung link kung saan pwede mo siyang i-download. Matik na yan. Una ka sa Una Game.